Welcome to the Homework Solutions video for assignments 3.03, number 1. We will use the same spreadsheet for entries 1, 2, and 3 in this series. So first we are going to upload the downloaded file that we have here. So this uploads our source data. And to make it easier to work with, once it's been uploaded, we'll see this .xlsx up here to indicate that's Excel format. I'm going to save as Google Sheets. That brings it into the Google Sheets native format, makes it a little bit easier to work with. And just for the sake of the video, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on the view. Just make it a little bit easier to see, except apparently zoom doesn't work in the spreadsheets, so we'll just make do. So we have our X data and our Y data. We want to start by putting that into a chart. So once it comes up, we will always do this as a scatter plot. When we're data fitting, we don't want it to connect the dots and come up with that wavy line like the details here, because we don't know for sure that our fit is going to hit that. So we always go to the scatter plot, and then we go to Customize and Series. We'll add a trend line, but this is not linear. This time it's a polynomial. The default is 2. That's for a quadratic polynomial, but as we can see, that's not a very good fit. That's nowhere close to the lines. In fact, if we show the r squared, which is not really in the curriculum, but that 0.776 means we can explain about 77.6% of the variation in the points by fitting it with this quadratic. If we fit it to a cubic, now it's a perfect one. We can explain 100% of the variation this way, which is the goal. For the label, we want to use the equation, and there we go. So our x cubed coefficient is 1, our x squared is -2, our coefficient of x is a -5, and our constant term is 6, which we can read right off of the graph.